everyone, we are from Basaveddi BA and BCom College, Santinagar, Dharwad. I am handling BCom third semester business statistics. Last class we have solved simple problems related to arithmetic mean. Basic problems is yesterday class we have solved. In this class different types of sums I am solving. Okay, let us solve the problem. Let us start the problem. Sixth one. Calculate arithmetic mean for the following. Calculate arithmetic mean for the following. They have given two columns. First one is class interval. Second one is frequency. Frequency is nothing but f. Okay. Class intervals. 10 to 20. The frequency is 23. 20 to 30. Frequency is 44. 30 to 40. Frequency is 35. 40 to 50, frequency is 12. 50 to 60, frequency is 9. 60 to 70, frequency is 3. And the last one is 70 to 80, frequency is 2. And all these frequency we will get n. We will get n. Let us solve the problem. Okay. Calculation of arithmetic mean. Calculation of arithmetic mean. Draw four columns. Four columns. First one is class interval. Second one is frequency. Third one is x. And the last one is f into x. Okay. First one is class interval Ci. Second one is frequency. Third one is x, or it is called midpoint. It is called midpoint. And the last one is f into x. F into x. Okay. Write all these class intervals in class interval column. 10 to 20. 20 to 30, okay, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 70 to 80. And write all the frequencies. 23, 44, 35, 12, 9, 3, 2. Add all these frequencies. How much? 123. And the third column is x, or midpoint. How to calculate midpoint? I hope you know. Okay. Add upper class plus lower class divided by 2. Class interval alli lower class ಮತ್ತು upper classes ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, divide by 2 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, we will get midpoint. It is called x. Okay. First one is 10 plus 20 divided by 2. How much? 30 divided by 2. 15. Okay. 15. Next. 20 plus 30 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2. How much? 25. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 30 plus 40 divided by 2. 70 divided by 2. How much? 35. 50 plus 40. How much? 90 divided by 2. 45. Next. 50 plus 60 divided by 2. 50 plus 60 how much? 110. 110 divided by 2. 55. Next. 60 plus 70 divided by 2. 60 plus 70 how much? 130. 130 divided by 2. 65. Last one. 70 plus 80 divided by 2. How much? 150 divided by 2. how much ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 75. Okay, I hope you understood how to calculate x. Okay, again I am telling, add first plus second. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2. 10 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 20 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2. 30 divided by 2. How much? 15. 10 plus 20 divided by 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 10 plus 20 how much? 30. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Again 20 plus 30 how much? 50. 50 divided by 2 25. 30 plus 40 how much? 70. 70 divided by 2 35. Next 40 plus 50, 90 divided by 2 how much? 45. 50 plus 60 how much? 110. 110 divided by 2 55. Next 70 plus 60 how much? 130 divided by 2 65. 70 plus 80 150 divided by 2 how much? 75. Okay, I hope you understood the midpoint or x. Then the last column, multiply these two columns, we will get last column. Second column ಮತ್ತೆ third column na multiply ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ last column ಬರ್ತದೆ. 23 into 15. 23 into 15. How much? 345. 23 plus 15, sorry, 23 into 15 how much? 345. Multiply these two columns. First second column na ಮತ್ತೆ third column na multiply ಮಾಡಿ 23 ಕ್ಕೆ into 15 ಮಾಡಿ how much will 345. Next 44 into 25. 44 into 25 how much? 1100. 1100. Next 35 into 35. 35 into 35 ಇದು third second column ಅಲ್ಲಿ f frequency ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 35 ಇದೆ. Next midpoint also 35. How much? 1205. 1205. Okay, next 12 into 45. 12 into 45 how much? 540. How much? 540. Next 9 into 55. 9 into 55 how much? 495. Next 3 into 65. 3 into 65 how much? 195. The last one is 2 into 75. 2 into 75 how much? 150. Multiply these two, we will get fx. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ denote 1. Second column is 1 and the third column is 2. Okay, here it is 3. How to get 3? Multiply 1 into 2. Multiply 1 into 2, we will get third column. Okay, I hope you understood the fx column. Add all these numbers, they have mentioned in fx. Add all these. 345 plus 1100 plus 1205 plus 540 plus 495 plus 195 plus 150. How much? 4050. How much? 4050. 4050. It is called summation fx. It is called summation fx. Then calculate arithmetic mean. X bar is equal to summation fx divided by n. Big N. Okay, when they have given class intervals, we denote n in big numbers. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಫ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್? 4050. 50. N is nothing but total of F. Total of frequency, it is called big N. How much? 128. 4050 divided by 128. 4050 na 128 le division madri, we will get x bar or nothing but mean. How much? 31.64. How much? 31.64. Okay, I hope you understood the problem, how to solve when they have given class intervals and the frequency. Okay, in your exam they have given in 5 marks. 5 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ or 15 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೋಡ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್, ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ and mode. In upcoming class I will solve based on those problems. Okay, I hope you understood when they have given class intervals and the frequency, how to solve, how to calculate how to calculate x matte fx. Okay, solve another problem. Let us solve the another problem. Problem number 7. Let us solve another sum based on arithmetic mean. Problem number 8. Calculate arithmetic mean for the following data. 2 columns. First one is class interval. Second one is frequency. Class intervals 0 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Then frequency 12, 42, 61, 42, 21, 12 and the last one is 3. 12 and the last one is 3. Okay, add all these, we will get n. Number of values. How much? 193. 193. Let us solve the problem. Okay. Calculation of arithmetic mean. Calculation of arithmetic mean. Calculation of arithmetic mean. How many columns? 4 columns. How many columns? There are 4 columns. First one is class interval. Second one is frequency. Third one is midpoint or x. And the last one is f into x. And the last one is f into x. First one is class interval. Second one is f. Third one is x or midpoint. And the last one is f into x. Midpoint. Okay. Class interval 0 to 20, 0 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, last one is 70 to 80, last one is 70 to 80, last one is 70 to 80. Second column is frequency 12, 42, 61, 42, 21, 12 and the last one is 3. 12 and the last one is 3. Okay, how to calculate x? Lower class plus upper class divided by 2. 0 plus 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2, how much? 10. 20 plus 30 divided by 2. 20 plus 30 divided by 2. How much? 50 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2, 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2. How much? 70 divided by 2. 35. Next, 40 plus 50 divided by 2. 40 plus 50 divided by 2. How much? 90 divided by 2. 45. Okay. Next, 50 plus 60 divided by 2. 50 plus 60 divided by 2. 110. How much? 55. Next, 60 plus 70 divided by 2. 60 plus 70 divided by 2. 130 divided by 2. 65. And the last one is 70 plus 80 divided by 2. 70 plus 80 divided by 2. How much? 150 divided by 2. 75. Multiply these two columns, we will get third column. 12 into 10. 12 into 10. How much? 120. Next, 42 into 25. 42 into 25. How much? 1050. 1050. Next, 61 into 35. 61 into 35. How much? 2135. Next, 42 into 50. 45. 42 into 45. How much? 1890. 1890. 21 into 55. 21 into 55. 1155. 1155. 12 into 65. 12 into 65. How much? 780. 12 into 65. The last one is 3 into 75. 3 into 75. 2205. 225. 225. Add all these effects. 120 plus 1050 plus 2135 plus 1890 plus 1155 plus 780 plus 2225. How much? 7355. 7355. It is called summation fx. It is called summation fx. Multiply these two columns, we will get last column. Second ಮತ್ತೆ third column ಅನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೆ last column ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay. Help. Next, x bar is equal to summation fx divided by n. How much? Summation fx? 7355. 7355 divided by 193. Divided by 193. 7355 divided by 193. 38.1088 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಂದ ಓನ್ಲಿ 3 or 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ. ಲೋವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅವಿಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ? ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.